Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to pin a particular important notes on your Google Keep. So if you are having some task, or if you have to remind this important notes, you just can pin this on your Google Keep by using this option. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to pinning a notes in Google Keep, or how to pin the notes in Google Keep. So the pinning the notes is so important to remind us or importance about the notes that you want to pin. So here I just need to pin this. This is about my content that I just want to deliver. So after long pressing it, you will see option called pin option on the top, and just click this, which actually you can pin the note on the top. You can also select multiple notes and just pin it on the top, and you can also long press it and just move it, and you can arrange like this. Now you can see there is a pinned notes on the top and others on bottom. If you have a 50 notes, but you can just pin important notes on the top. You can just unpin it by long press it, and you will see have a same option. You can just do unpinning the option or pin the notes by easily important notes by using this particular option on your Google Keep. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable Google Keep content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.